Hey guys, welcome to Instant Film Friday. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you guys don't miss any future episodes. Sorry that I didn't post a video last week. I was super busy and I didn't actually have time to record and post a video. So there was kind of a gap in my web series. Sorry about that. But today I am back at the grind and recording, so yeah, here we are. So earlier today I bought some film for my Instax cameras, and when I went to change the film, I actually had an empty film cartridge that I pulled out of one of my cameras that I had used. And a lot of the time people just throw these out, but in this video I want to show you a cool little tip, quick tip that you can use to make use out of these empty film cartridges instead of throwing them out. Now this is a super cool and easy kind of tutorial, so you're not really going to need much. You're going to need an empty film cartridge, and you're going to need let's see what we got here. You're going to need a picture, and preferably you're going to want a portrait picture. Up and down landscape pictures don't really look as good, so be aware of that. And what you're actually going to do is, with the empty cartridge, you're going to take your hand and you're going to bring down the little flap that protects the film when it slides out. You're going to take your picture, you're going to slide it into the slot that you have just exposed, and you're going to want to make sure you keep a hand on the flap because it will get stuck on the picture like it just did. And as you can see, if you push on the back little holes, you have yourself a cool little film cartridge frame. Now, a lot of people will decorate the outside with construction paper or pattern paper, but I actually like the cool nostalgia of the frame as this empty film cartridge. So there you go. Now it's going to be flopping around the picture, so what you're going to want to do is at the top and at the bottom you're going to want to put some tape or some glue and just use the back to kind of secure it until it dries. And there you go. You guys have a cool little empty film cartridge Instax frame. And with all the empty film cartridges that I go through, I have a ton of these. You can set them up on your desk. You can set them on your dresser. They make a cool little conversation piece. And yeah, it's always good to recycle and reuse. So there you guys go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below letting me know if you think this was cool and if you want to see more tips and tricks like this. And I'll talk to you guys next week. Till then, live life instantly. Bye.